Ferrari is faking their gear shifts and engine noises when they debut their first EV coming this fall. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Ferrari could get its first gear shifts like the Ioniq 5N, as they're planning on what only an EV or fully electric vehicle could do, and that's fake their gear shifts. Yeah, their own signature sound, because Ferrari said that the first EV will have that sound earlier this year. And, well, the prototype driving around Maranello was said to be making an engine-like sound. Now, thanks to two recent patent applications, we know that Ferrari is working on a virtual engine and gear shifts for new EVs. Now, one patent describes a system for an electric vehicle that uses an electric motor to simulate the torque output of an internal combustion engine and the gear shifts of a gear transmission. Now, the torque output from the motor is defined by the position of the accelerator pedal and the virtual gear. The driver can actuate virtual gear shifts via steering column paddles, as in other Ferrari models. Now, the other patent, well, that describes an audio control system for such an EV with both interior and exterior speakers that reproduce a digitally generated sound that corresponds to the virtual engine and transmission model, where the sound can be a historical, modern, futuristic, adrenaline-filled, or relaxed sound based on the driver's preferences, and the system can also have a specific sound for gear shifts. The patent also details methods for recording sound of an internal combustion engine car. This kind of technology is one similar found to the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, along with sound reproduction devices that mimic unmistakable growls of internal combustion engines. Obviously, silence just doesn't cut it for Ferrari enthusiasts. Now, according to Ferrari, the virtual gear shifts can change in as little as 200 milliseconds or as much as 600 milliseconds. It sounds strikingly similar to Hyundai's setup for the Ioniq 5N, which is a system that now is also found in the Kia EV6 GT. And while some critics should argue that EVs should focus on smooth, uninterrupted power, successfully recreating an ICE experience is a win for driving enthusiasts. Now, whether the sound will be enough to ease Ferrari purists' pain over the absence of the iconic Ferrari engine roar, well, that remains to be seen. But the Ferrari EV is coming. We've been talking about it, and hell is freezing over as the time is near. We cannot be naive to this. This is the future. So I want to know what you guys think about fake gear shifts and engine noises for the exterior and interior of Ferrari's first electric vehicle. Is it blasphemy? Drop those comments down below. Give me your honest opinions. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. But also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below if you guys want to help further support the channel. I appreciate the extra love. Now, you guys can also subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.